FightCamp home boxing system pricing explained what you get for your money. Boxing at home used to mean shadow boxing in front of a mirror, but not anymore. FightCamp turns your living room into a connected boxing gym. So, what do you really get for your money? The FightCamp system starts around for the base equipment, which includes the punch trackers and freestanding bag. If you go for the full kit with gloves and mat, it's about. Then there's the subscription per month. That gives you unlimited access to thousands of workouts, including boxing, kickboxing, and body-weight conditioning. What makes FightCamp special are its punch trackers. These small sensors slip into your gloves and record the speed, intensity, and count of every punch you throw. Most people get this wrong. They think boxing is just cardio, but FightCamp teaches real technique, builds endurance, and measures progress with real data. You can train alongside professional fighters, track your stats, and climb leaderboards with other members around the world. So, what do you get for your money? A full boxing gym experience that fits in your home, guided by pros and backed by smart tracking. If you want to burn calories, build confidence, and punch out stress all while competing against yourself, FightCamp makes it fun, challenging, and incredibly effective.